everyone, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. Wish you all a very happy Halloween. Now, since we already are in the Halloween season, today's recipe is all about Halloween. It's a Halloween special recipe. And trust me guys, not only special, this innovative creation is surely gonna be a showstopper on your Halloween party table. So without any delay, let's get quickly started.
I'm gonna start off with making a batter. So take 4 cups of semolina in a large bowl. Semolina is also known as suji or rava and is very common in India. But for those who don't know, see, I'll show you. This is basically cream of wheat and is easily available in any Indian or Asian store. Now add at least 2 cups of yogurt into this. So the yogurt need not to be thick in this recipe at all. So the normal homemade curd will also do the job. Now give this mixture a good mix. So first mix it without adding any water, and then slowly you can add 1 to 2 cups of water and make a thick batter out of it. So this is done. Now here I am adding spinach puree into the batter. I already made this puree and kept it in my deep freezer. So basically I blanched around 250 grams of spinach and blended it, and that's it. My puree was ready. Now use your hands and mix everything together. Guys, make sure not to forget about hygiene. So wash your hands thoroughly before this step. Keep mixing for at least couple of minutes the way you knead the dough. Alright, now this is done. So I'm gonna add salt and pepper into the batter. So I've added 1 teaspoon salt and red chili powder into this. If you want, you can also use smoked paprika or cayenne pepper powder into this. So that's it. Keep the batter aside and let it rest for some time. Okay, now meanwhile, let's start preparing our stuffing mixture. So take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a large wok. Once it is hot, add chopped garlic. I'm adding 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Then once it changes the color, add cumin seeds, followed by 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Mix and saute for few seconds. And then time to add in lots of veggies. So I'll show you. I finely chopped 2 large size carrots, 1 large size onion, and 1 medium size green bell pepper or capsicum. Now add in the onion and saute until it becomes slightly pinkish. This step will take hardly 3 to 4 minutes. Now here I'm gonna add some spices. So add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder or as per your taste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste. Now mix all the spices together. So guys, one thing here, I wanna make my my Halloween skull super spicy. Hence, I decided to give Indian flavors to it. But if you are not a spice lover, just go ahead and add in mild spices of your own choice and you'll be good to go. Now see, our onions and spices are nicely cooked. So add in all the veggies. So add in all the chopped carrots here, followed by the bell pepper. There we go. Now I'm also adding a tomato here. So I have finely chopped 1 large size tomato and added into it. Then comes green beans. So I have chopped around 250 grams of green beans and added into it. Okay, now at this stage, I'm gonna add few more spices, which are 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and mango powder. Now mix and cook everything together. Then in hardly couple of minutes, add some corn kernels, like so. Then after corn, I'm also gonna add some green peas. So I have some frozen green peas here. So I'm gonna add that one. But if in case you are having fresh green peas, please feel free to add fresh ones. Now give everything a stir, simmer the gas, and place the lid for around 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, open the lid, and that's it. We need not to overcook our vegetables. Now I'm adding 1 cup of boiled and mashed potato. This will give a very nice binding to our stuffing mixture. So that's it guys, switch off the gas, add in some cilantro or coriander leaves, mix it, and our stuffing is done. Now here our batter is also ready. So finally I'm adding little bit of garam masala powder, followed by a pinch of baking powder and baking soda. I'm sorry I forgot to capture it. And here comes the most exciting part. I've taken a silicone skull mold and nicely greased it from inside. Now take 2 halves of de-seeded tomatoes like this and place it over the eyeball socket. See, like this. Now start filling it with the batter. Drop in the batter properly in every nook and corner of the mold so that it holds a proper shape of the skull. Okay guys, so see here, I have filled half of the mold with the batter. Now time to add in our stuffing. So keep a generous amount of stuffing on the batter. Make sure you stuff both the sides of the skull. guys, so we are done filling up the mold with the batter as well as the stuffing. Now I have already preheated my oven at 375 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to place the mold carefully into the oven for 25 minutes. Then in 25 minutes, be careful and take out the pan. And voila! Our super handsome hunk is ready. Now in order to assemble, place both parts of the skull one upon the other. And finally, let's do some makeup for our guy. Fill in his eyeball sockets with tomato ketchup and drop down some tears for that ultimate bloody look. Then also make border of the sockets with some yellow mustard sauce. And tada! The spookiest and the most amazing Halloween showstopper recipe is ready. This handsome guy will shock your guests for sure. First when they see how scary it looks, then when they taste how delicious it is. So do give this recipe a try, either for Halloween or just like that for prank. I'll be back very soon. Take care. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye.